Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. The car has been painted, it's ready. I'm not gonna show it to you right now. Right now what I'm doing, I'm finishing up the buffing. That's what I'm doing. But this video of the entire car being finished, being sprayed, the candy and everything will be probably this coming weekend. So just stay tuned. Just stay tuned for that. So you can see right there, guys. But I am doing the buffing on it and finishing it up. All right, guys. Have a great year this year, 2025. Have a great week. And I'll see you this coming weekend with this candy paint job. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Like always, stay safe and God bless.